Here we go. Here's our baby, our little darling girl, and we're going to spatchcock her, and we're going to, what are we going to do? We're going to baste her in jerk chicken marinade, which Louise made last night. Look at that. Delicious. Now, if I was a chicken, I would feel privileged to be going on a barbecue in that little bit of sauce. Now, let's just get rid of the string. Tra-la-la-la. That's all done. We want her upside down. That's the way to get a girl in the right position. Always very important. Absolutely. There we go. We're going to take out the spine, which is this bit running here, from end to end, and then we're going to
spread her leg.
Spread her out. Okay, without further ado. Now, the spine is really good for making stock, but we're not going to Barbie, put her on the Barbie, put the spine on the Barbie. There she goes. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we'll just take out, we'll just cut the other side. Got that? Oh.
Those scissors.
Very, very satisfying. Very good scissors. These scissors are from, where are they? What are they? Herb Stripper. That's what it's got written on them. Herb Stripper from Oxford. Anyway, Herb's a fine old fellow. Now, I think what we're going to do, I like it when we do these, is to get the breastbone out. Strictly speaking, from what I understand, you don't have to do that, but I like doing it. Also get a bit of fat away. Out there. Great for stock. So, we are going to get our favourite implement. La 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 la. No, not that. What do you call that again?
Spatula.
Spatchcock, but you don't use a spatula in spatchcocking. What you use is a cloth.
Oh my god.
Ready? Look at that baby. Now, we don't actually want to break the chicken up.
No.
So we don't want to hit her too hard. I'll just put that aside there for a minute. Normally, you know, if you've got a girl spread out like this.
You wouldn't normally be this violent with a girl.
You would want to give her a good, good spanking. But what we do want to do, I think, is just carve out that bit of breastbone. So we can need another knife now. But we kind of slightly run out of fancy machinery, but we'll just use this lovely old Japanese knife that we found in the flat when we moved in. Just, you know, one of the best ways of accumulating. This one, just kind of look over here, just look up close, because you sort of need to peel the meat off to some extent. That's it. Just get all of that out. See that?
Yeah.
Just peeling that out. That's it. There you go. And that's just going to get a nice, really juicy, meaty piece of chicken left over. Bone out. Get in there, get that bone. Let's just get the hold out. There you go. And that gets the breast, it's the rib cage really, get the breastbone, the rib cage out off there, and that, as you can then see, is just a beautiful piece of ready to for that. So then the marinade is really going to be able to soak right into that flesh, and the flavour is just